Hello everyone. In this session, let us understand about the hardware logic of the associative memory. How this can be actually, how the circuit is going to be configured and designed. This is the match, right? This match register digit must be equal to 1. How match register digit can be equal to 1? If you can have a look at the expression, match is a product, that is the end of x1 plus k1 complement, x2 plus k2 complement, and xn plus kn complement. So these are the three lines which are going to depict x1 plus k1 complement, x2 plus k2 complement, x2 plus rather xn plus kn complement. So each and every line is going to represent one of these expression, x1 plus k1 complement, x2 plus k2 complement second line, and xn plus kn complement the third line. Now let us observe each and every line. Is it actually representing x1 plus k1 complement? Let us see. Of course, for ORing, we're going to use an OR gate. Yes, there is an OR gate. For that OR gate, we need to connect two values. What are those values? X. One is X. We will see if there is an X. Okay. X1 plus K1 complement. Let us see if you do have an X. X is equal to AJ Fij into Fij. Again, if you can divide X, this X has been made up of AJ into Fij. Where is AJ Fij? You can clearly see AJ, this is AJ and Fij. And not only AJ and Fij, X also requires another expression, that is AJ complement and Fij complement, right? So first one is AJ Fij, AJ Fij. Second one is AJ complement and Fij complement, AJ complement and Fij complement. Okay, this will satisfy the first OR gate, and each and every OR gate are also from the same thing. AJ Fij, AJ complement, Fij complement. This Fij is connected to a NOT gate here. It is not shown. Fij is connected to a NOT gate. Okay, and finally we need to connect the K, the key register digit, to a NOT gate so that K bit can be inverted. So X is equal to AJ Fij, AJ complement, Fij complement, and KJ complement. All these three are ORed, you can see. So this is one digit, and each and every digit are of the same circuit, are of the same logic rather. AJ complement, AJ Fij, AJ complement, Fij complement, and KJ complement. If we can OR all these things, we're going to get the input to the match logic, because the match logic is x1 plus k1 complement. This is the first one. Second one is x2 plus k2 complement, and third one is x3 plus k3 complement, where x is equal to AJ into Fij. This is what the match logic and that actual design logic behind the scenes. Thank you.